What is your password? Do you know your password? What is my password? Password is very, very important. Password serves as a first layer of defense or first defender of your social media account. Now, if you have a password like 1234, or the word password is safe, or ABCD, or I love you as your password, then know that you are in a very dangerous position right now. Now, if you have a password like password 123 at capital A, something like that, if you have a password, that's out. Alphanumeric, symbols, characters, uppercase, lowercase, in one sentence, that form what? A strong password. And want you to know that it should be more than 8 characters, or it should be more than 12 characters. This will make what? Your password more secured or more strong for any form of what? Hacking or password or brute force attack. This password can stand against it. But if you have a password like 123, they know that you are not hurt at a defense. Within 1 second, your password can be hacked. Check if your password has been hacked. Now use haveibepin.com and paste in your email address. This haveibepin.com will help you what? To know whether your email account has been hacked, your password has been hacked, or has been involved in data breaches. So it is very important to note this. Now, second one, when you are using your password or when you have a password, don't use one password on all social media platforms. Let's say you have a password of I love you and you are using I love you to what? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. Please know that when a hacker is able to take over that password or he knows the password, he can do what? Try and error on all your social media accounts, be able to what? Take over all your accounts. So it is very, very important to use different passwords on different platforms. I'm going to see you in my next video. Alhamdulillah.